Hey Linkers, so if you're trying to find the desert area so you can go and do the 4th dungeon and you're having a hard time, this video will show you what you're probably missing. I'm at the castle area. I thought this would be a good place to start so you kind of get your bearings. I'll just show you where it is. I've been looking everywhere. This drove me nuts. Anyways, so all you gotta do is hit this bush over here. So you see I'm going down from the castle. Keep in mind I'm just watching myself play. I'm not playing right now, so just kind of waiting it out. But right there, that bush right there it is. That'll take you right to the desert. You'll have to go to this, do a couple other things before you get to the desert, but at least you're on the right path again. And I wasn't on this path for quite some time. You go to the animal village. It's just down after you go up these stairs. You'll see here. There it is. You're on the other side. That's it. That's how you get over there. And you know, you should be able to figure it out from there. If not, you know, I'm probably gonna make more videos about this area soon. But if this video helped you, please like it, and please remember, don't subscribe to me.